Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Betterment mobile app. This tutorial will walk you through the process of using the Betterment mobile app to manage your investments and finances. First, download and install the Betterment mobile app from the App Store. Once installed, open the app and create an account by providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. After creating your account, you will be asked to provide some personal and financial information, including your income, expenses, and financial goals. This information will help Betterment provide you with personalized investment advice and recommendations. Next, you will be asked to link your bank account to the app. This will allow you to fund your investment accounts and track your progress over time. The Betterment mobile app offers a range of investment options, including stocks, bonds, and ETFs. You can choose from a variety of pre-built investment portfolios or create your own custom portfolio based on your individual needs and goals. To get started, simply select the investment portfolio that best aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. You can then fund your account by transferring money from your linked bank account. The Betterment mobile app also offers a range of tools and features to help you track your progress and stay on top of your finances. You can view your account balance, investment returns, and portfolio allocation at any time. In addition, the app provides personalized investment advice and recommendations based on your individual needs and goals. You can also use the app to set financial goals, such as saving for a down payment on a house or retirement. To get the most out of the Betterment mobile app, it is essential to regularly review and update your account information. This will ensure that your investment portfolio remains aligned with your changing needs and goals. By following these steps and using the Betterment mobile app, you can take control of your finances and make progress towards your long-term investment goals. Remember to always educate yourself and stay informed about personal finance and investing to make the most out of the app. The Betterment mobile app is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your financial goals. With its user-friendly interface and personalized investment advice, it is an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced investors.